Understanding brightness is crucial to the success of an installation. With just a little analysis, you can figure out the best brightness for your display and get it right every time. Welcome back to the LED revolution. First things first, brightness is measured in nits. Nits are the same things as candelas per meter squared. They are not the same things as lumens. We've got another video explaining the difference between those two. Just know for this conversation, we're talking nits. Secondly, some reference points. Typical consumer TVs are usually around 350 to 400 nits. Indoor digital signage, commercial LCDs, are typically in the range of 400 to 600 nits. With LED, we have the opportunity to tune brightness to specific needs since we're directly viewing the light source. Typically, we talk about displays in terms of their maximum calibrated brightness, which allows the user to set their brightness level at something that is comfortable within the space and guarantee that brightness will remain achievable over the 100,000-hour operating life of an LED display. All LEDs degrade over time, but with the appropriate calibrated max brightness, your display can look its best for 10 years or even more. For indoor applications, look for displays that are built at 600 to 1,000 nits. Most indoor products come in around 800 nits. For indoor applications in east or west facing rooms with lots of natural light, or in applications where an LED display is in a window facing the outside, typical brightness can range from 1,000 to 2,500 nits. Outdoor applications are a class all of their own. You need a minimum of 3,500 nits to overcome direct sunlight. Most outdoor LCDs top out between 3,000 and 4,000 nits. Outdoor LEDs start at about 4,500 nits and go all the way up to 10,000 or 12,000. The extreme brightness of these displays is typically reserved for special use cases and extreme examples. Generally speaking, smaller outdoor displays under 40 to 50 square feet are more than bright enough using displays between 4,500 and 5,000 nits. Traditional large format displays are usually specified at 6,000 to 6,500 nits. Next time, we'll talk about the difference between lumens and nits, so don't miss it.